Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you how to download the latest IS code, that is IS 1893-2025. Through this process you can download any code. Just type Bureau of Indian Standard login eSail login page. You have to click here. For that you need to create account with very simple steps. Either you can choose corporate or individual. Here write your mail ID, password, then personal information, then address information, and then security verification. In that you have to type the code given in the right side. Okay, that's 66749D. You just need to type there and then submit. Once you submit, your registration process gets complete and you are ready to log in. So here under the sign in you have to type your email address and the password, and then you have to enter the security code which is given below, that is 66749D or whatever it may be in your case. And then you have to click on the sign in button. Now there is a search tab. You can enter here IS 1893 or any code you want to download. Okay, so IS 1893, so 2025 part 1 and part 5 is ready to download. Okay, so you can select that particular code, and then here you can see the name, and on right side there is option of download PDF. Just click on that, then just enter that code once again, whatever it may be there in your case, and just click I agree to the terms and condition, and click on download. Once you click here, the code will be downloaded and you can ready to refer the code. In coming videos we will go in detail of IS 1893-2025. Different methods we will see, what are the changes with respect to older version, what are the new things those are added. We'll see all the things. Here you can see the code is download. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.